One of the things that we try and do is try and not make forecasts about what's going to happen, just try to understand what is happening. So what is happening is the Fed is signaling a tighter monetary policy. What is happening is the economy is very strong, unemployment's low, earnings for many companies are at records. State tax receipts are rising way above expectations. Credit card usage is high. And so all of those things, and stimulus is tremendous. So all those things say that the economy is strong and a recession is not on the horizon. Doesn't mean it can't appear, but that's what's going on now, and we're trying to invest in this particular environment, and not one that we really can't forecast. There's emerging opportunities in the market. We're at the beginning, early stages of a regime change. So from a Fed easing, accommodative bond buying set of policies to one that's the opposite. So draining the Fed balance sheet or down, raising interest rates, and that raises the possibility that they can make a mistake. I mean, they're not flawless, obviously, and so you've got what's happening with volatility is you're getting some probability of a mistake, of recession priced in, and that's I think something that you're going to have to live with for a while until it's clear that doesn't happen. Well, real rates are still sharply negative, and especially if you just use headline inflation. So I don't think the bond market is attractive at all. I think the Fed wants to tighten. They would probably like to see the curve steepen moderately, and we just don't see any value in bonds here. We've been kind of wondering why they're still buying mortgage-backed securities into this kind of a housing market. So I think both of those things in moderation make sense. So letting the balance sheet drain off of some of the securities that they own, as well as moderate tightening. They're signaling very strongly that they're not going to try and tighten too much. They're going to be sensitive to a recession. Doesn't mean they'll get it right, but I think they're looking at the right things.